Alright, we're in what I am calling the treasure room. I have boxes and the nice things that I've collected from this unit are right here. Kind of dumb, but I like it. There was a iPhone 6 that works, Nintendo 3DS with some games, this epic fucking thing, whatever, I don't know, Jaguar, some heating stuff. In this box is all DVDs, someone's entire collection of Blu-rays and DVDs. The 3 boxes underneath are all women's shoes. I have a bunch of paintings I haven't gone through yet. All these purses, bags, Coach, you know, whatever, they're just filled with that shit. I got some really nice rugs, big ones, small ones, violin here, air conditioner, this really nice tea set. I mean, come on, that's fancy. Blu-ray player, DVD player, and then these are all the books that I got from the unit as well. As you can see, we got some Twilight and Harry Potter and what have you, and more to come. This is pretty much it for now.